Hey everyone, Swiss Experiments, Nico here. Today is the first Wednesday of February, which means that at exactly 1:30 p.m. Switzerland is testing its nationwide siren system. Across the country there are around 7,200 sirens in total, about 5,000 stationary ones plus roughly 2,200 mobile sirens, covering almost the entire country. In a moment you'll hear the general alarm. It's the rising and falling wailing tone that lasts 1 minute. During the test window, it can be triggered more than once. And in this video, I'm probably going to show you 3 different moments. If anything needs rechecking, the test can continue until 2 p.m. And because I'm downstream of a dam, I'm also recording the water alarm later on. That one can happen between 2 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. It's 12 low, continuous tones of 20 seconds each, with 10 seconds pauses in between. Quick siren nerd detail before we head outside. A viewer once told me that the sirens near me are called, and forgive me my poor pronunciation, Cockham Sonics Typhonic Delta 4 units, upgraded with the newer AT or ATM control system, which is a common pairing for the Delta series. A quick bit of history as well. The first simultaneous nationwide test was in September the 1st, 1982. And several cantons stayed completely silent because their system weren't ready yet. Since the early 90s, it's been once a year in February. Now, in a real emergency, if you ever hear the general alarm outside of a test, check the radio or the Alertswiss app immediately. Follow the authorities' instructions and inform your neighbors if you can. And if you ever hear the water alarm for real, leave the danger zone immediately. All right, let's try and catch this live then. And in just a few seconds, we're going to get a replay. And with the window closed, we should be able to still hear it. As you see, it's very loud. Okay, that was the general alarm sound. And if you're not from Switzerland, does your town also have similar tests? Let me know in the comments. Next, we'll hear the flood or water alarm, and I'll play the entire length of the clip, but feel free to skip through it.
you
And if you heard the water alarm as well, drop your location in the comments. I'm curious how many people get both signals. So next time you hear this for real, you'll know what to do. I'm Nico, this was Swiss Experiments. Drop a like for the algo and see you next time. Bye bye.